Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. Quick little video today from the truck, but I'm putting this video out because I'm putting a cry for help out there. In another month and roughly 9 days from now, we're having the Orphan Run on April 10th. And this is a cry for help because I'm looking for sponsorship for the Orphan Run. I'm trying to make this run the bomb. So if it's going to be the bomb, it's going to take a little bit of cost. So the corporate sponsorship is the way I cover the cost. Now, corporate sponsorship doesn't have to be from a corporation. It can be from an individual. Don't have a problem with that. Anybody who donates to us $250 or more in sponsorship funds, I'm going to put your name on the back of the t-shirt. Show you an example of our t-shirts from last year, front and rear, so you get an idea of what that looks like. But if you want your name on the back of the shirt or your company's name on the back of the shirt, $250 donation. So what does this donation do? I have fixed costs, i.e. we are getting the barbecue and the meat from Allward Masonry. They are donating and cooking that for us on Saturday. But I still have the buns, the slaw, the beans, the sodas, the chips, plates and forks, and all the other stuff that goes with it I need to buy. Also paying for the band, also paying for the shirts, paying for the printing for the shirts. Our profit margins will be a whole lot better if I can cover all of those things with corporate sponsorship. And why do I want higher profits for this run? Because dollar for dollar, everything above and beyond my fixed costs is going to go to Sacred Selections. As you know, as I've said, if you're a subscriber and you've watched this channel for a minute, Sacred Selections has done a whole lot for our family to donate funds to our family to help us with 9 out of the 11 adoptions we've completed. So it's been a goal of mine and my wife's to be able to give back to Sacred Selections so they can bless other families like they have blessed us. This will be year number 8. I would estimate we've probably given back somewhere between $20,000 to $25,000 back to Sacred Selections, which has gone out to other families, which is pretty darn awesome. But it is merely a drop in the bucket from the dollars amount that they have blessed our family with so that we could complete all those 9 adoptions. Orphan ministry is what our family is called to do. So the Orphan Run is something that is very important to me. And face it, you don't have to be a Christian to get behind orphan ministry. That, it's a people thing. It's not a Christian thing. It is a people thing, right? And that's what we're doing. We're trying to get kids into forever homes, and that's what these funds go for. And the beautiful thing about Sacred Selections is every dollar that I give to them is a dollar that goes to a family. Every dollar that comes to Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club above and beyond our fixed expenses, it's going to be a dollar that goes to them. We as a club, me as an individual, are not going to make any profit off of this. This run is not designed for us to make a profit. This run is designed solely to give back to Sacred Selection. That's what this video is about, is a plea for help from my YouTube community. We do have a few sponsors who have stepped up to the plate and already committed some funds, but we are still not at our goal of covering fixed expenses. And our fixed expenses really are not that huge, but I'd still like to have them covered. I'd like to be in the black going into the day of the event. So everything we collect on the day of the event, I know is money that's going to go to Sacred Selections. Hook me up, help a brother out. Ways I can take donation. PayPal. Our PayPal address is dogwoodcrew@yahoo.com. If you want to do it with a credit card, we have the Square app that I can take donations off a credit card from a Square app. You just need to email me at yogicycleservice@gmail.com so we can connect, and then I can take a credit card. You can also mail me a check. Down in the comments section below is my P.O. box. You can mail me a check. Just make the check out to Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club. Don't make it to Yogi Cycle Service, make it to Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club. That way we can put all the funds together, and when we're done with the run, send them straight to Sacred Selections. So there are 3 different ways that you can donate. Check to my P.O. box, email me if you want to do a debit card or credit card payment, or PayPal. And I need to get this sponsorship probably locked up in the next 2 weeks, because I'm going to need to get the printer any artwork that needs to go onto the back of the shirt. So I need to have this locked up probably by middle of March, so maybe March 20th. Hook me up, Yogi Clan, and let's make this event happen. Let's make this event epic. We got a great band coming. We do have, again, the police escort, tons of food, $15 per rider, $20 for 2 up. We're going to be selling shirts, hopefully for $25 a shirt. Thank you guys for helping out. I appreciate it so very much. Reach out, hit me up if you can make a donation. I'd love to have your name in the back of the shirt. $250 to get your name on the back of the shirt. Hi, Yogi Clan. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. This ride means so much to me. And if my goal, last year we raised $6,700. If I could just hit 5,000, and it was an extraordinary year in September of 2020, despite all this COVID garbage, it was an exceptional year fundraising wise. My floor goal is 5,000. My stretch goal is 7,500. So anything you guys can do to help me hit those goals warms my heart. So thank you, Yogi Clan. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you again. Peace.